Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Row. In this video, we're going to be going over the new FAB free assets available until October 21st. This just released about an hour ago. So we have the Abandoned Cathedral by Ragtarok, and this is nanite friendly, game ready, and modular, easy to assemble. So let's go ahead and add this to cart. And we're also going to be going over the advanced asymmetrical multiplayer template. I have zero idea what this is, but kind of looks like something like Dead by Daylight. And next we have the pawn shop system, which looks like a reverse supermarket simulator type game where you're the customer instead. But yeah, let's go ahead and add these to cart, check them out, and open them in the project. So just go ahead, hit checkout, click place order. It's processing. And now I can go ahead and view this in my library, but I'll actually just open it directly on my launcher just to refresh it. Because a lot of times it doesn't actually show up on my project, even though I open it. All right, so I just opened up the preview level of the cathedral. So we have these really nice environments, very optimized, feels really smooth to go around this. Although to be fair, I do have a 4090, may differ for you. And now we see this giant, very spooky looking cathedral, kind of giving me Resident Evil vibes. Let's go ahead inside and take a look. Gander. Wow. Okay, these actually look really nice. This kind of looks like one of those Megascan assets. So overall, really, really cool. Very cinematic movie type vibes. We got lots of sun rays or god rays. This image back here that looks very trippy. When I go up and down, it kind of shakes a bit. And we have a broken window here along with some trees. Is there anything downstairs? No. But overall, you could make a very modular maze type map here. Maybe a little boss fight at the top. Little outdoor section. This actually kind of reminds me of Dark Souls quite a bit. And yeah, overall, really, really cool looking asset. Nice body of water. Very, very gloomy. Let's go ahead and check out the next asset. All right, so this is the pawn shop. I don't think it's a simulator. So backspace to return from menus. Enter is accept. Left mouse button to interact with ATM and arrows to navigate. So let's go ahead and check out the ATM. I click E. I can deposit. I don't have any money, so I'm broke. I click escape. I meant to click backspace. All right, let's try this again. So I'll go over here, pick up an item. Now I can click E and I can do some transaction, hit backspace to go back, deposit. Hold on, where's the merchant though? Isn't there supposed to be someone like, oh, he's in there. We don't buy stolen items. Oh, okay. I just have to physically push the door open. Got it. So now I can go ahead and sell. I'll sell the smartphone that I found. Pretty sure that's a stolen item, but hey, what do I know? And now I'm clicking backspace, but it's actually not letting me go back. I'm not too sure. Oh, I didn't even read the unless nobody's watching part. Okay. Wait, but I can't I can't leave the menu. What do I do? All right, let me start this again. All right, so we're going to pick up this. Anything here? No, that's it. Backspace to return from menus. Okay, that's what I did. So I'll push this open. I'll click E to interact. Gonna click let's click sell. I'll sell the smartphone. Boom. Oh, it added up. It didn't even save from the last time. Okay, whatever. Now I click backspace. Yeah, this isn't working. This is not working. But at least I have my money saved up on the top right, which I didn't even notice. So let's go ahead and try the ATM. I can deposit 50 or 300. I can't deposit $10 or 100 or oh, maybe that's meant to be a comma. So I'll click 50. Now I have 50 in my bank. And now I put all 300 in my bank. Now I can withdraw. Let's just take out 50 transactions. Okay, it gives me a little history of what I've done. All right, so that's pretty pretty cool. And I can so I can purchase a diamond ring or a stone from the backyard. So I got two of those. And it let me exit out of that one. That one was just fine. Hold on, let's talk to him again. Sell. I'll click return. Okay, so the sell stops working if you actually sell something. Nope, I lied. It just okay. Now it's just working for some reason. Okay, well it's working, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and check out the next asset. All right, this is the asymmetrical multiplayer. I'm just gonna go ahead and click play. I can do quick play, join game options. There are sound effects in this, so I can hear background music. When I hover over these, I hear the quick play. I can select my character: clown, alien, plague, undead. LAN, no, players, blah, blah, blah. One example map, and I'll be the undead guy. So let's see, now it says waiting for players to join. I hope there are bots in this game because then I can't really demo it. All right, so it looks like I can't actually test this one out, but according to the images, it does look like you actually do have an objective, which is just to find and kill all survivors or survivors. But overall, pretty cool asset. From what I saw, the menu was really well done. Didn't get to experience in game only because this you do have to test it with multiple people. Makes sense. It is a multiplayer template. So yeah, overall, pretty cool assets. Feel free to check it out. It's all free on FAB for the next 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, what you want to see next. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.